Welcome guys. If you want to get this iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Black Shark 3, I'm going to show you how to get it in a really easy way. So for the first, I'm going to delete this application. So we have to delete the control center and also this iOS launcher. Click here and wait a little bit. I'm going to turn off the auto brightness. Okay, it is turned off. Never mind. Go for the Play Store, tap on the search and type here iOS launcher. And right now we have to get this application from the Looting developer. Click here, tap on install, and right now we have to wait. Click open. Click allow. And then click on the control center. Turn off this ad. Click OK here, tap on the install. Click open also. Use the switcher, then click on the home button. And right now we have to select iOS launcher, so click here. Click on it, we got it. And right now we have to as you can see, our launcher has changed, but we have to also make it possible to use the control center. So click here, go back, select the iOS launcher once again, and right now we have to swipe from the right edge of our smartphone, and the control center is turned on. If you enter here, you can go for the settings. It will be here when we swipe. Okay, I want to show you how to customize it. No, where it was. Okay, turn on again. And I want to change the position of this. Okay, here it is. So if you want to get it on the left side or on the bottom, you have to click here. So right now you are able to turn it off from the bottom. So I think it's like, in better position. And of course, when we open the notification bar, we get still the Android, but I think that's cool. It looks almost the same like on the iPhone. I hope that'll help you guys, and if I do, leave thumbs ups. If you have any problems or something, just leave the comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!